Hello everyone, welcome to Geeker Mag. In today's video, I am going to show you how to use web browser in Android TV or Google TV. Before that, if you find this video useful, like it and subscribe to the channel. On the TV home screen, switch to Apps option available on the top. Now scroll down and locate search bar and select it. Here type browser and select search. Now you will get list of web browsers that you can install on your Android TV. Now from the list, you can select whichever you want, but for this video, I will install the browser with the name browser. This one. Now click on the install button and it will take few seconds to complete the installation. Once done, select open. As you are using the browser for the first time, select arrow icon and then set it up. You will be asked few questions related to Android TV usage. Either you can answer those or select skip. Once you reach this screen, select start app. Now this is how the home screen of this web browser looks like. Now you will find some popular card. By selecting those, you can directly visit those websites like Google search. Also, you can use this search box to perform search queries like let's search Starbucks near me. And just like that, if you want to visit particular website, simply type the website address and select go. And you can see that website is fully loaded. This search box is powered by Google search, so you can get results accordingly. My experience with this web browser was good, so you should give it a try. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching.